Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we're back with another video and I have here a nail drill machine. So thank you so much to Kredioo, I believe you pronounce it, I'm not really sure. Thank you so much for this amazing nail drill. They did reach out to me and I was so excited to try a new nail drill. So this does include a control machine, a DC adapter, handpiece, operation manual, drill bits, it brings 6, and also a handpiece holder. So it is a very compact and a very useful, you know, on the go or whatever the case may be. I absolutely loved it and I did decide to go with this rose gold color. I thought it was absolutely beautiful. So here I'm just showing you everything that it includes. It is a very strong and powerful nail drill, very great quality. You guys will see here as I show you today's nail tutorial, just showing you how I apply my press-on nails and how I make them last 2+ weeks and how I am able to blend them in for them to look so plush and seamless. You guys will see literally these nails that I use are only $2, I believe, through Shein. They also have them on Amazon, so you are able to get them anywhere. But I just wanted to show you guys how you don't have to spend a lot of money if you don't desire. It's all about skill, practice, and the way you do things at the end of the day, because you will see how plush and amazing these nails turn out. So I definitely thought it was an amazing video on in regards to using this nail drill, just to show you guys that you can create amazing nails at home at a very affordable price. And this nail drill is actually very affordable as well. I believe it's pricing either at $50 or $60. I'm not really 100% sure. I will have everything linked down below for you guys down in the description, just in case you're interested in purchasing anything you saw in today's video. It does go up to 35,000 RPM as well. It's just very easy to use. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up to let me know that you enjoyed, and hit the notification bell to always get notified and never miss out on any uploads. So here I'm just showing you me changing the nail bit, and here I love how you just twist and turn. You twist it to unlock and then you twist it the other way to turn it, and you guys will see here what I mean. I'm not the best I'm not the best person at explaining things, but you guys will see here. And yeah, I just love it. I think it's very compact, very on the go, because I do have one, but it's more like for my table. So now I'm glad that I have one on the go. So here I'm just using this I'm just starting off by removing the shine, and these were a little bit rough on the grit, but that's what it included. I would have used a smoother one sanding band, but that's definitely fine. I just wanted to show you guys me removing the shine from my nails. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoy. So just to give you a better explanation on how you guys can switch the nail bits, because I know I didn't really explain it that well, all you really have to do is rotate the spindle to the left to unlock the clip at the tip and insert the selected bit, and then you rotate the spindle to the right to lock the clip and fasten the bit, and you're ready to work. So that's the way that you switch them on and off. It's very simple. And always leave some space. Don't just insert the drill bit to the end, because it may cause the resistance and influence of handpiece. So do not do that. You guys see how I always leave a gap between the bit and the machine? Always make sure you do so. Also, the LCD display will show the battery level, instant speed, and RF status. And if it has any issue, it'll notify you as well. So here I am just gonna continue showing you the process of how I apply nails on. And by the way guys, this drill was straight to the point, very easy to use. Overall, I thought it was a great nail drill. I didn't have any issues with it, and also I liked how they have a variety of colors. I know not everybody may like rose gold, so they do have different colors to choose from. Very affordable price point in my personal opinion, because I know there are some drills that go up to $400, and if you want to buy a $400 nail drill, that's amazing. But for those who don't, there are really good options out there as well, like this one. And in the past I've also shown another nail drill that was really good as well. And here I'm just dusting off the shine, and I'm grabbing some alcohol to remove any excess particles that can create and cause lifting. So remember, that is a very important step. And lastly, I just decided to grab sometimes I literally just, my brain goes blank and I don't even know what the tools are called. So I really do apologize for that. Here I am just grabbing, what is that called? Oh, the cuticle pusher. There we go. And I'm just pushing back my cuticles a bit. And here I'm just starting off with the dehydrator, which dehydrates the nail and removes all the shine and the dirt So that is a very important step. Next, I'm using the primer, which this is a bond and adhesive for long lasting nails and nail lifting. So that is what I am displaying here. And by the way, when it comes to primers, it is trial and error. Some work for some people and some don't work for others. So it is all trial and error with this nail journey. So don't be discouraged if your nails lift, pop off. Just keep going, do your research, keep watching videos, and see at the end what works best for yourself. So next here, we're moving on to these very affordable press-on nails. I did purchase these through Shein. I believe they were $2.50 or $2, and I'm just picking them out. I'm just sizing them to what fits me best. So here I'm just removing the tabs from the free edge of the nail, and then I'm going to go in again with the nail drill, and I'm going to buff the inside just to create a rough surface just for better adhesion. And I am going to be using that KDS glue, and it's a very strong glue, so just keep that in mind. It's amazing, it's very strong, and I guarantee your nails will last. But there is a trick: hold your nail against the press on and your actual nail for about at least 15 seconds to 30 seconds. Just press it down very firmly and do not let it go. I'm just going to show you guys here a little preview once I put them on, but then again, it also has to do with the nail glue that you use. Some people prefer base coat. Me personally, lately I've been trying to apply base coat with colored nails like this, and it's not working for me. I don't know why. Maybe it's my lamp, it's not strong enough, who knows. But so I just prefer to use this method. But if I am doing the nails from scratch, then I go ahead and I use a base coat as an adhesive to my nail. But that just creates, it's just a little bit harder because you have to paint the nails perfectly, if not it looks messy. So that's why I just prefer to go with this method sometimes when I just want to put some nails on and let them last for a week, because regardless, I do love changing my nails up every week or so, sometimes even before. So as you guys are seeing here, I'm applying them, but I'm holding them for at least 15 seconds. And then releasing them, and you guys are gonna feel the strength. But then again, the KDS glue is really good. So next, I'm just grabbing another nail bit, and I'm just going around the cuticle area and making it very plush and seamless and very natural looking, as if this is like acrylic nails. And you guys will see exactly what I mean. And I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. I hope it was informative enough, and I hope I was able to help anyone at least with something. So thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are absolutely amazing. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you to all my subscribers, new or old. You guys are absolutely amazing. Thank you for all the love and support. My channel wouldn't be possible without you guys, so I'm very appreciative and grateful of that. And thank you for everyone who shows love, watches my content, likes my videos, or comments down below. Thank you. You guys are absolutely amazing, and thank you for supporting me in all my social media platforms as well. I'm incredibly grateful, I really am. So here, as you guys can see, I'm just going with the bit around the cuticle area, and this is just gonna make it look very natural and take away that press on look. So yeah guys, it's very easy, very simple, and very affordable. So I definitely recommend you guys try this out at home if you're interested in having some really cute nails. And by the way, if you guys ever create nail looks, don't hesitate to tag me on Instagram or DM me. I love to repost your guys' work. I love when people send me their nail looks, because I just get so happy seeing how amazing you guys do your nails, or how cute you guys do them, or what type of design you guys did. I absolutely love it. So don't hesitate to do so if you do your nails. So yeah guys, I don't know if I was talking too much in this video, but sometimes I feel like I don't talk enough, then sometimes I feel like I talk too much. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy. And by the way, I will have everything linked down below in the description. Everything will always be down below in the description box if you guys are interested in anything you saw in today's video. Now, after removing the dust from my nails, I'm going in with a buffer, and this is a 100-180 grit one, and I am just removing the shine from the entire nail. This is a very important step just because I will be applying my own top coat. Therefore, you want a clean slate. You don't want it to have the shine from the nail, because then you will cause it to lift. So it's very important, like you will cause the top coat to lift from the nail, and you don't want that to happen. So always make sure that you remove the shine completely from these nails, because they already have a top coat on them, or that shine. Make sure to remove it. That is very important. So that is what I am doing here. And yeah guys, it's very simple, very easy, very fast, and these nails are really great quality, to be honest. I've actually accumulated a couple of colors because they're affordable and they're really pretty, and they're just really easy to create, you know, if you want a nice set for the weekend or for the week, whatever the case may be. You can cut them down and shape them to your liking. If you don't like such long nails, me personally, I love long nails, so that's why I chose these in particular, because I just love long nails, and I thought this color was super beautiful. It reminded me of Taro Boba Tea, which I absolutely love, and thought the color was really beautiful. And you guys will see what I do with the nails. It came out super cute, super simple. Well, it may not be that simple because of the rhinestone placement that I do end up adding, but it looks really, really nice. So here we're moving on to the rhinestone placement, and I am using my gummy jelly by Couture. I absolutely love it. I recommend 10 out of 10. Amazing, literally amazing. I definitely have to stock up on more because I do feel like I'm running out of it, and I always like to have my inventory when it comes to those important things like that, because I love practicing rhinestone placement off camera, or if I'm doing a tutorial, I always want to make sure that I have, you know, the products that I recommend. And I didn't put just top coat on because I want you guys to see how I apply it with the gummy jelly, and it's very easy to use. And after I'm done applying the gummy jelly, I just go over top with some top coat that I'm going to be using, and then I go ahead and apply the rhinestones to my liking, and then I go and cure it under the UV lamp for 60 seconds, and I will promise you they will not move. Like, I can, like, that is something that I'm very like honest about. Like, these rhinestones will not go anywhere, whether it's rhinestones or charms. They will not go absolutely anywhere, which is why I'm recommending it. It's really, really good. Just in case you're looking for a good rhinestone glue, this one is it, literally. And it's $9.99 through his store, Couture. By the way, they have amazing stuff. I definitely want to go and buy some things from there, which I probably will, and make a haul for you guys, because he just has amazing things, and I know he has a lot of new stuff on his website. But I am getting off topic, so I apologize for that. But here I'm just going in with the rest of the nails and applying 2 coats of top coat. I just show one on camera, and that is just to strengthen and thicken the nails. And you guys are going to see how absolutely beautiful these look. And by the way, this rhinestone box I did purchase through AliExpress, which I showed in a haul, and it was only $14 and some change, I believe, and you get all this quantity. So it was really, really amazing, because I know these go for like a lot more money in other websites. So just in case you're looking for a nice rhinestone box and you don't want to spend a lot of money, AliExpress is the place. So here I'm just using some cuticle oil, and these are available on my website. Not a website, but you know, my Etsy shop. If you guys are not already aware, they are $6, and they're very moisturizing and super cute. So if you want to support me, that is another way you can do so. So this is the final result. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I love you guys. Till next time.